We have entered into the next part, okay, where we'll be discussing some more sums over the chapter similarity. Okay, so we'll focus only on the proof sums. So maybe this is a third video. Okay, second video we have completed yesterday only. So this is the next video. Okay, let's get into the chapter. Through the midpoint M, okay, of the side CD. So M is the midpoint of side CD. Okay, this one they told you. Of the parallelogram ABCD. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram they told you. Okay, the line BM is the drawn intersected AC at L. Okay. Okay, and AD produced U. Again, they are saying produced one. So produced one. In the last class we did some over the produced part, how to do this and what is the application of that produced. Okay, word. Okay, so what we have to prove? EL is equal to 2 times of BL. Okay, very good. So as usual, what we used to do, what we have to prove first one, we have to see by using that only we'll get the triangle. Okay, so let me solve. Wrong marker. To marker I have left it here. Okay, so solution. Okay, solution. So what we have to solve? Sir, EL is equal to 2 times of BL. This one we have to solve. Okay, sir, till now we have solved just like here 2 letters will be there, here 2 letters will be there. Okay, then we can interchange, but here only 1 letter is here, 2 letters are there. Here like this. So it says by using this only we used to do. On the left hand there used to be 2 letters, and the right hand side 2 letters. We used to arrange them and we used to get the triangles which we need to prove. But here something else is there. So that's what I'm taking up this question. So I have to explain you out. So how to do this type of question also. So now if you'll see, so letters I'm keeping it together. So numbers I'm keeping it together. Okay. So EL is there. Okay. And BL. Okay. Together. So number is L. Nothing is 1. No, nothing is there means 1. Now you understand? No? See, EL into 1 EL. BL into 2 BL. Okay, right. Now okay. So means from here can we say that one triangle we have got by using this one we have easily get the one triangle. So what is EBL? Where is EBL? So EBL. So this is not a triangle. EBL. See, so this is straight line. A straight line. So this is not a triangle. Yes, sir, this is not a triangle. But from here we came to know that EBL they are saying na. So the triangle may be by using these letters only. So BLC maybe. Okay. LEA maybe. Okay. So you can say this one also. No. If you say this one LMC. We're not having the letters. We have this line. Na? So the triangle is made by using this line only. So it can be this triangle. It can be this triangle. Maybe. Okay. Maybe I'm saying. Okay. So by using this one now we are not getting. In the previous cases we used to get by using this two only. Like this only we used to get the triangle. But here we are not getting. Okay. So this can be a case where we are not getting. So we have assumed that it can, the lines are going like this. So it can be this triangle or it can be this triangle. Okay. So apart from the nothing is there, ABCD parallelogram is there. Okay, do one thing. By this assumption we will go forward. Okay. So we have what we have assumed. So we have assumed BLE is a part of the triangle which we need. Okay, this one no need to write. For your understanding I'm writing. Okay, so we have assumed by using this line, but we need a triangle. We don't need a line. Okay, so according to the what we have assumed this one triangle. So let us extract this one. Let us see anything is there possible by using that one, because after extraction only the solving process become easy. So next one is E is there, here L is there. Okay, so it will be A L. Now see. So we have extracted, now we see BLE. So B is there, L is there, E is there. Okay. If I take this triangle, C and M, CMM is not, C is there, M is not there. So we cannot this triangle. Take the triangle. Can we take this one? The D is there, D is not there. We cannot take the triangle. Okay. So now what to do? Now what to do? So here sir, we have assumed means okay, this is a triangle. So BL, EL is there. Okay, EL is there. One triangle, and next triangle BL is there. Okay. Okay, so we understood. So these are two triangles. Maybe. Okay. So what about this one? So if I will say that, if I will say anywhere like this. So for example, if I will say 2 times of AE. So if you will see A is bigger. In the diagram A is bigger as compared to BC. So BC is there, A is there. So A is bigger as compared to BC. So can be that AE AE is found by adding 2 times of BC, BC plus BC. For example, I'm assuming maybe. So AE will be what? 2 times of BC and okay. So now if I will say that AE by BC equal to AE means 2 times of BC by BC. So from where you got, I'm assuming, I want to show you something. So can we write like this cancel? So answer is 2. Yes sir, answer is 2. So maybe because of these two, this thing got happened. The 2 which we are getting, because of this assumption only, it got happened. Maybe. Okay. So if this have to work, we'll get 2. If I will take this one, I'll get the answer 2. So instead of 2, can I write this one? Yes sir. But we have to see that is it A is equal to BC plus what we say? BC plus BC, because A is here and BC is here. How is possible? Okay, so we can write A is equal to, we can write this one, A equal to AD plus D. This is right. But how come this will be right? BC plus BC. Okay, so means if I have to write like this one, so AD should be equal to BC. Then I can write instead of AD BC, and D should be equal to BC. Then I can write D equal to BC. Okay, so what I have to prove here? So AD is equal to BC we have to prove, and D is equal to BC I can prove. After that, I can replace this value with the BC plus this one with BC. So BC plus BC, I will get these steps. I'll get my answer. So I have to show this one. Anyhow, from here I came to that. If I will show this one, okay, I can continue with this step. I'll get an answer. I'll get my answer. Okay, because these two are parts of these two triangle, and what we have taken AE and BC. AE is the part of this one, and BC also part of this triangle only. So two things we got. Okay, so we understood that we have to say this one equal to this one equal to this one. Okay, these two I have to say. But how to show that one? AD is equal to BC, means AD is equal to BC. Okay, we can say, because if I how can we say this one? Wait, and AD is there and BC is there. Okay, so these two triangles, if I will prove similar, I can say this one equal to this one. Yes sir, you can say. And D is equal to BC, DE equal to BC. How to prove this one now? If I will take this triangle and this triangle, if I will prove these two triangles similar, I can say that one. Yes sir, we can say that one. So we will take individually. One thing understood. Again, this AD is produced. Produced means what? If I will say this one equal to this one, so this will be equal to this one. Yes sir, the last class also we did that one only. Okay, produced means what? This part if I will prove equal to this part, means D is equal to BC if I have proved anyhow. So I can say that AD is equal to BC. Right? Yes sir, we can say AD equal to BC. Okay, so AD equal to BC we can say. Okay. So first I will prove BCM. Okay. So triangle BCM is there, and one more triangle is DME. Okay. So what are the things I can take? Sir, I can take this one vertically opposite angle. Yes sir, vertically opposite angle, and one more, sir, alternate angle. Yes sir, because this is a parallelogram, it's a produced part, as I already told you in the last class also. So angle BMC is equal to angle DME. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Okay, next one, second one, alternate angle. Angle CBM is equal to angle DEM. Okay, alternate angle. So from here we can say the triangle BCM is similar to triangle DME. Yes sir, by AA rule. Yes sir, we can say sir that one. Okay, so up to here we have proved. Why we have proved? So that we can say D is equal to BC. So from here we can say, so after that I'm writing here. Okay, so let me erase this one, what we have to prove. Okay, we understood this one, what we have to prove. Okay, now what we have to write here? So here we can write that BC is equal to DE CPCT. Okay, the reason is CPCT. Okay, we can write. And moreover, they told you that ABCD is a parallelogram. So we have proved this one. So we can say that. So BC is equal to AD. Yes sir, we can say. So BC is equal to, in the given one you can write BC is equal to AD. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So we have proved that one. Okay, so you understand now, we have what we need, we have proved. So after that what you have to do, I will show you. So by using this one we have written, because we need AE and BC. So we have written this, we have replaced them. Okay, as I told you, we have replaced them after proving that one. Now what you have to do? Now we have to prove these two are okay. This one in the ratio one. So for that we have to take the triangles. The two triangles we have to take. Okay, let me take the two triangles. So what we will do now? We will take the triangles. We have taken the two triangles. I have proved them similar. So according to the, I have the EL by BL. Okay, equal to AE by BC. Now what we have said, AE is equal to what? 2 times of BC. The next line I will replace. I will keep this one as it is because I need this one BL. And AE means what? 2 times of BC. I need that one 2 times of BC. Okay, so 2 times of BC by BC. Now cancel them. When you cancel, what you are going to get? I am going to get EL by BL is equal to 2. So now you cross multiply, you get the answer. Understood what I am trying to say? So like this only we have to prove the triangle. Okay, first the value what they give, from there we have to going to extract that one over the triangle. How much possible we'll go back steps. We'll do back steps from here. Okay, we'll try to get the triangles. If we got the triangles, we understood. And what are the given things you need? Okay, given, from the given more information you will get other than anything else. So whatever the question is there, what they have given you, first you write nicely according to the parallelogram was there. We got some points and produced some points we got. So by using that one, by extracted values of this one and the extracted triangle, we got the answer. Okay, so you understand what I'm trying to say. How to, means you just like this, all things you know how to do, the proof and everything you know. The thing is that I'm here to explain you out that how to extract the triangles, how to get into the triangle, which triangle you need, how to decode these equations. This is the main thing which I'm trying to make you understand. Everything, altered angle, vertically opposite, these all the angles you already learned in the previous class. So there is no need to explain this all. Main thing I will explain this one, how to decode this one, how to get the triangles, and how to think and on which lines I have to think regarding the triangle. Okay, so next question. This is your next question. So the question is, they have given you the diagram. In that they are saying AP is equal to 2 times of PB and CP is equal to 2 times of PD. And what I have to prove? I have to prove ACP, the triangle, is similar to BPD. Okay. So what we have to prove? We have to prove the two triangles are similar. Okay. Simple question. Okay. So for that, what we will do? First, we will take the triangles. Okay. What they are saying? First, we will take the triangles. Okay. So triangle is triangle ACP and triangle BPD. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. So the first point. Okay. So first point, what we need, if you see the triangle of it, the diagram. Okay. So there is vertically opposite angle. Yes, sir. This vertical opposite angle. Okay. So we'll say angle APC is equal to angle BPD. Why? Vertically opposite angle. Okay. First point is done. Let's go for the second point. So the second point is, what will be the second point? You see anywhere, anything they have told you about the diagram? So no, sir. The given they have written. Okay, given is there. Okay, given something is there. So okay, let us try what is there. Okay, so AP they told you will do some working right over here. Okay, after that I will erase this one. AP is equal to 2 times of PB. Okay, so from here can we write anything? Huh, sir? As you told in the previous question, alphabets together, number together. Okay, so next step is AP by PB is equal to 2 by 1. Yes, sir. Okay, after that what is there? So nothing. After that we have to see which two triangles. So they have given the triangle. What is the use of we used to use this one to get the triangles, but they already told you directly that this is the triangle you have to prove similar. We need the points now. We need points. We doesn't need the triangle. Okay. So this one we know. Yes, this one we know. And what is the next thing they gave you? Let me see. CP is equal to 2 times of PD. Yes, they gave us. From here, can we write like this? CP by PD is equal to 2 by 1. Yes, sir, we can write. So, the value of this one is 2, the 2 by 1, the value of this one is also 2 by 1. So, means both are similar, can we write? Because both the values are 2. So, can we write from here? Can we write from here? Okay. So, we can replace this 2 by 1, we can substitute this equation number 1, this equation number 2, for example. So, we can substitute because the value of this complete value is 2, this complete value is 2. So, means these two are similar. Okay, so we can write AP by PB is equal to CP by PD. Can we write? Yes, sir, because both the values are same. Yes, sir, you can write. Okay, both the values are 2. We can write this one. Okay, now if you will see, we need one more point. Okay, we need one more point. Do this exist in the triangle what we have taken? Triangle ACP means this one. So AP and PB, AP is there and PB, AP is there and PB is there. So in the starting of the chapter, as I already told you, okay, so what we told you, that if the two triangles similar only when their angles are equal, or the corresponding side are in the same ratio. Okay, so the two triangles are there. So we got the corresponding sides in the ratio form. We got, yes sir, we got, because AP is in this one and PB is in this one, CP is in this one and PD is in this one. So this is one more point. So we can use this one as a second point. Okay, we can use this one as a second point. Okay, that's why I'm trying to explain you this one. The first point I told you vertically opposite angle, and this one we have calculated what they have given us. From there we came to know this is the ratio of the sides. Okay, in the proportion. Okay, so we can use this one as a second point. Okay, so now can we use this one? That was a working node. It doesn't have the space, that's why I erased that one. So you'll keep that one as a working node. So first point this one, the second point already we have proved. Okay, so we can say from there the two triangles are similar. So this is an important question. Okay, an important question where we use a new thing. Okay, so understood. After that, what they are saying, anything else they are saying? Okay, we have to say these two are parallel or not. Okay, that two are parallel or not, also we have to say that one. Okay, now if you'll see AC and BD parallel. Okay, AC and parallel BD. See, if these two lines are parallel, when these two lines are parallel, if this is a transversal and this one equal to this one, or this one equal to this one. Okay, if these two are equal or these two are equal, then it's a parallel. So here also we'll say, okay, as we have proved these two triangles are similar. So what we can say? We can say that the angles are also equal. Okay, can we say this one equal to this one? Yes sir, we can say this one equal to this one also. Yes sir, we can say. Okay, in the next line you will say, in the next line first you will say these two are equal, then you will say these two are parallel. Because if they are equal, then if they are parallel, then only equal. So they are asking something else. They are asking whether they are parallel. If they are equal, they are parallel. Opposite will say, you'll say opposite. If they are if they are equal, we'll say with these two are parallel, then they are equal. If they say they are parallel, we'll say they are equal, that's why they are parallel. So opposite what they are saying according to them. So we'll write angle CAP equal to angle PBD. Why? Alternate angle. So when these two are equal, therefore these two lines are also parallel. AC parallel to BD. So parallel, I told you, when parallel come, when alternate will come and corresponding will. So we have showed that these two triangles similar. From there, these two angles are similar. These two angles similar by using alternate property. Alternate when we can use when the lines are parallel. That simple. All are interlinked. So this is something different question where we have used this. Where we use this one. Okay, you understood? So we can use like that also. That's why I gave you the question where they are explaining how to use the corresponding side, which are in same ratio, or we can say in the proportion, to prove the triangles are equal. Okay, so there you go. This is the next question. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle, okay, in which AB is equal to AC, okay, P is a point on the side BC, okay, such that PM is perpendicular to AB, means 90 degree, and this is also 90 degree, okay, and PN is perpendicular to AC. Okay, now what do you have to prove? You have to prove that PM plus NP is equal to CN plus MP. Okay, so this was the question. Let me see what we can do from this one. So we know the process and the drill, what we can do. Okay, so again we will take, so now here we have to write that on what they gave you. So VM into NP is equal to CN into MP. So written. After that we have to figure that one from which triangle it's coming. So the same drill. Okay, we know this one. So BN, if you will see, BN means this triangle. So BN is there, BM is there, and now after that BP will come, which is not there, and MP is there. Okay, so MP is equal to next CN by NP. Okay, CN by NP, CN by NP. Okay, slide. Okay, so this one is triangle BPM is there, and this triangle is CPN is there. Okay, you got the two triangles. So similar, you have to do it the similar. Triangles are similar. After that, you know the drill. All right. Okay. So first point will be 90. What will be the second point? So there's told you AB is equal to AC, but do AB is lying in this triangle? Triangle what we have taken? No, so it's not lying. So what you have to do? Because AB is equal to AC, they told you. It's not that BM is equal to NC, they told you. No. So what we have to do? Let me see what we can do. So here what we have to do? We have to use many methods regarding this one. It's not like that if you are doing triangles. Okay, you'll use the triangles only. We can use anything. Lines and angles we are using, just like alternate angle, corresponding angle, many things we are using. In the same way, Okay, what are the properties we have? Okay, we have to prove them. So it can be angles, it can be side, anything we can use that one. So, but they told you something angle. Sorry, triangle is there, na? AB is there, and AC they two are similar. Just I will show you with a small diagram. So for example, A, B, and C is there. They told you these two are equal. Yes, sir, these two are equal. So we know that one. The angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. Yes, sir, we can say from that. So here they told you AB is equal to AC. So all this we know already. Okay, so the opposite to AB is angle C. So angle C equal to angle B can be write. Yes, sir, we can write. So now you see angle C and B is lying in the triangle. What they gave you? Ha, sir, angle B is there. Ha, sir, angle C is also there. So we can use that property. They gave us this one, but that AB and AC is lying in the triangle. What they given us? What we have taken? No, sir, it's not coming. So what you have to do? We saw that the sides are not lying, but from their angles which we are getting are lying in the triangle by using this theorem. Angle opposite equal sides are equal. We know this one theorem. Okay, so we'll use that one and we'll get the angles. Okay, so first point is that 90 degrees there in the triangle, and the second point is that angle opposite equal sides are equal. Hana? Okay, so and we'll prove that two triangles are similar. After that, we know what you do. So done. See all the points which we have decided. 2 points, very easy to gather 2 points rather than 3 points in congruency. Okay, so we got this point and this point is done. So 1 point already gave you. The second point, okay, angle opposite equal sides equal. Okay, so understood, very important. Okay, after that, what you'll do, you'll write this one. Next step, you know what are the things you will do after this. So after this, you'll write this step before this step. Done. Is done. The sum is done. Okay, see, very easy. You know this type of stuff how we used to do. Okay, let's go for the next one. So there you go. There is the next question. Okay, so they give you a triangle ABC where A is the acute angle and BD and C are the perpendicular on AC and AB. We saw. Okay, it's a 90 degree. Prove that AB into AE equal to AC into AD. Okay, so that's the same thing. Okay, we have to see which triangle is coming. Okay, so let me see. So AB, let me write AB into AE equal to AC into AD, right? Right. So AB is lying here, AB is there, and with respect to that, AD should be there. Okay, so I got the answer. So ABB. So maybe you also got the answer. If you understood, pause the video and try to do some by yourself. So from here, the triangle is triangle ABD. Okay, so from here, the triangle is ACE. Okay, so these two triangles I have to consider and I have to show them they are similar. So first point, it will be see ABD. Where is ABD? So ABD, so 90 is lying in this one. Yes, if this is 90, this is also 90. If this is 90, this is also 90. Yes, the 90 is there. So in the first case, we can write, okay, in the first here, we can write angle ADB equal to angle AEC. We can write, why? Each is 90 degree. Each is 90 degree. Okay, so we can write 90 degree. What is the second thing? What is the second thing we need to say? If you see in the diagram, similarity is there. Similar, angle A equal to angle A. So both are similar. Angle A equal to angle, common. Okay, both are common. So we have proved. Okay, it's done. Proof is done. So after that, what you will do? These two triangles are similar, and so we said that the two triangles are similar by A and A rule, angle rule. After that, you will write this one and you will write this one. It's done. Sum is done. You understood how to do the sums? Very easy. Okay, so there are more parts of the video because it's a tough chapter. We'll come with all the proof sums. Okay, this was somewhat easy sum, starting somewhat difficult. Okay, something we have learned from this video also. So I will come with many sums. Okay, there are many proof sums. Okay, so that during the exam you will not face any issue regarding this chapter. Okay, okay. So as usual, if you like the video is helpful to you and informative. Okay, your one like help me to boost up and help me to do more videos like this.